Breathe with me just 5 times. Each breath is more than air, it's a doorway. In the quantum field, every breath chooses a reality. And tonight, with just 5 breaths, one of those doors opens straight into their thoughts. 5 breaths, and they will feel you instantly. Breath is not just air. When you breathe with focus, you dissolve the illusion of distance. In that moment, your rhythm and theirs become one. One pulse, one current. Each inhale draws them closer. Each exhale sends your presence into their heart. You and they are not separate. The breath only reminds you of the bridge that was always there. Sit gently. Let your shoulders drop. Let your body soften. If you wish, place your hand on your heart. Feel its warmth. This is not about force, not about control. It's about kindness to yourself. And through you, kindness reaching them. Inhale slowly. Trust that this moment was already written in the flow of the universe. As you breathe in, you step into that plan. See their face gently appear in your mind. Feel the invisible thread between your hearts, a bridge that never breaks. Exhale the fear. Let go of control. The signal doesn't need force. It moves freely, straight to them. Whisper their name silently. Not to demand, not to pull, but simply to give. Your love flows without conditions. Now, hold the thought. They are thinking of me right now. Feel the triumph in your chest, because you have already succeeded. It is done. Don't chase, don't doubt. Faith is the bridge that keeps this energy alive. The moment you breathed, the moment they felt. Hold that faith, because the connection is already real. If you felt that spark, remember, this was never just about them. It's about you awakening to your own power. Each breath you take is proof of your strength, your growth, your path. So keep walking it with me, subscribe, and stay connected on this journey. And always remember this: you are deeply valuable. Your energy, your frequency, and your very presence are a gift to the whole.